Hi, what's up, Polygon holders? So this video is very important for Polygon holders because I have something very special information for all Polygon holder, because this time Polygon condition is not good. So therefore we will need to predicate this going to upcoming time. Can they will pumps up, dumps up, or what they do, my friends? So let's get started a brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. First of all, as you can see, my friends, this time the price of my friend, you can see Polygon is 1.28 USD dollar. So definitely the price is pumping up, but don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down for short time, so this is does not mean to they will never pumps up and they will never give you a profit. You can see in last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring negative, but not a very big. Absolutely, it's very small change occurring. So therefore a negative especially, so therefore you will need to hold on. If you are hold, so I hope they will pump you up. The market cap, my friend, is very badly falls down, especially in previous days. You can see they will come out to 8 billion, but I hope, my friends, they will easily hit now 10 billion if they will get just in only 5% profit. And definitely, my friends, we will need to check out the Polygon chart results. So after that we will better understand. And let's check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart. If we check out the last 1 minute chart, so absolutely, my friend, you can see a minus 2.01% the price is decrease now. And definitely, in those days, in previous days, my friends, they will take a very huge jump now from September 28 to October 10. You can see here they will October 9 they will completely go in the moon, but after that they were fails down. So therefore don't worry, this is short fails. I hope, my friend, after this they will also like that jumping up. So please, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down, otherwise they will never give you a profit. Please hold down for a long time. I hope Polygon will make you a millionaire. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.